Easy peasy.
Ow. Thanks for the waxing.
Guns don't come for sleep.
Ye guns nahi, ye guns hai.
Now I've become a fan of the camera. I want the camera everywhere I go now.
Well done. Good. Good.
Morning. What's happening? These cameras are on.
So this is his starters and this is his main course.
Yeah.
And that's dessert.
Camera
Madhok
is
is in
not
the bulking stage.
Yay.
What? Please let us see what's inside that mouth even wider. Please open wide.
Do you like seafood?
Yeah, I see food and I eat it.
Now we'll have to put the camera off. It's getting hot in here. The senior scripts are here.
And this is how I start my day.
Oh my god! And there's a lollipop.
Time for costume 2.
Stand under the umbrella like a celebrity.
Your turn.
Between episodes, we go straight to the vanity, change our clothes, grab some lunch, get our hair and makeup touched up, and come right back.
Easy peasy. Lunchtime, guys. Let's grab some amazing vegan food.
Alright, let's do it. Have you seen any important emails that have come through?
Only about 45 WhatsApps to catch up on. I
think
can catch up with one of them now.
This is the magic of delegation.
उसके अलावा हमारी
You focus on strategic things. Operational matters can be handled by executive assistants.
These guns don't come for sleep.
Ye guns nahi, ye guns hai.
Clearly, I'm a more colourful character in general, and this seems to be as dull as Madhok's personality.
Yeah, I do think that this is a little bit more solid, bold, and it makes a statement. So obviously, that's not something you can pull off because it doesn't go with your personality.
Also true.
Ow! Thanks for the waxing. Now, for more beauty tips, subscribe to follow at Dhruv.Madhok.
Costume change time now.
Excellent.
I think our job on set is probably the easiest. The entire team around us is on their feet, running, scrambling. We're essentially just decoration.
It's been an amazing experience and I'm happy to be here. Now I've become a fan of the camera. I want the camera everywhere I go now.
It's a wrap. Finally done the day. And oh! Alright, bhai, chale.
Madhok, should we leave? कहाँ है भाई? You just left without saying bye.
Oh dear. Chalo.
Bye, Madhok. Bye.
Hi. If you like what you saw, don't forget to
like,
share,
comment
subscribe
to the Inventor Challenge YouTube channel.